Anywhere you go, you belong. Anywhere you say, anywhere.
Hey, there's a pole rope over there.
That's the pipes y'all got on here.
That's what?
The quiet storm pipes?
Yep. Come on. Don't tell him now.
Oh, I'm still waiting. I wasn't gonna go nowhere.
But you gotta go follow him.
Oh, he's ready?
Yeah.
Oh.
They're waiting on you.
Oh. I did
You're not one
not
of these
know.
guys that fall asleep in railroad tracks, are you? I did that once in my life.
Yikes. This is kind of scary, man. My first time. Woo.
So, in today's video, I'm taking a cruise on our Harley Davidson Road Glide CVO, the 117 motor. It's a fixed fairing bike. It's my second time riding a fixed fairing bike. The other fixed fairing I rode before then was the Indian Challenger, and this was my second time really riding a Harley. The Harley I rode before that was a Road Kid. In terms of weight, bike feels a lot lighter than I thought it would, especially with the fixed fairing that helps with the handling. So the steering felt a lot lighter than even you know, most of these bikes that have fairings on the front. Not Harley, I'll talk about any type. The steering feels a lot lighter, so you know you're able to handle a lot better. Transmission, pretty smooth transmission on there. Got through the gears easily. It was smooth, not big. In terms of power, very powerful bike with the 117 on there. Was able to get up and get down the road. Can't complain about that, man. So far, I had a good time with it.
far so good. What's up? This one's a little bit more comfortable.
Comfort-wise, the seat that I was on, I don't know if it's special for CVOs, but that seat was pretty darn comfortable. And then, on top of that, you know, just overall feel of the bike, it doesn't feel as big as it looks. Makes you feel like you want to get on down the road with it. And, you know, hey, buy what you can. In terms of the price tag is, I believe, at $41,000. I don't know what it is out the door, but hey, if you could afford it, I say go for it. Never be scared. Hop out there, do what you do, get on twos, man. That's what we live for, right? And remember, doesn't matter what you ride.